All right, so this is Chapter 5, Section 1, Midsegments of Triangles. And if you look, midsegments look like, go ahead and copy down this picture. Midsegments look, a midsegment will cut the side in half, creating two congruent line segments on both sides. And if you look, CD is not necessarily congruent to CE. They can be different, but CD and DA, when you have a mid-segment, because it cuts it right down the middle, it definitely has to be congruent on that left-hand side and congruent on the right-hand side. Our learning objective is to use properties of midsegments to solve problems. So we are going to use relationships about midsegments to solve problems. And what I did is I found the property of midsegments. So if DE is parallel to AB, then the line segment DE, the little guy, is going to be equal to half of AB. So the line segment DE is going to be equal to half the distance of AB. So we're going to take AB and cut it in half to find the distance for DE. What your book doesn't give you and what I'm giving you is this relationship right here. If I double DE, it will give me side length AB, because it's going to switch, it's going to toggle back and forth. Sometimes they'll give you the short guy, and you're going to have to double it to get the long guy. Sometimes they're going to give you the long one, you're going to have it to get the short one. So let's do two problems that use this property. And this is number 19 and number 23 from your book, just in case you're wondering. So go ahead and draw this picture. We have a triangle, and within it, there are several other triangles. If you look closely, the fact that these sides are congruent and these sides are congruent means that this is a mid-segment. X is a mid-segment. So if X is a mid-segment, my long side is 26. This is like AB, and this is like DE. Then I use my property DE equals 1/2 of AB. So DE would be 1/2 of 26, and half of 26 is 13. Okay, so that's for this problem here. The other example problem is a little bit harder. So I have the congruent statements here again and here. So I know that this is a mid-segment. So I can say that half of 38 is going to be equal to X plus 2. Half of 38 is 19. And I subtract 2 from both sides. And I get X equals 17.